Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Sakode. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive app installed on your phone to scan document to your Google Drive cloud. If you want to learn how to use your Google Drive app to scan document onto your Google Drive account, make sure to watch this video. So to start, I have my phone. There's my phone. First, use Google Drive app installed on your phone to capture or scan document onto your Google Drive account. First, you need to install Google Drive mobile app on your phone. After installation, you log in with your Gmail accounts and password to have access to your Google Drive account on your phone. So I have already installed Google Drive on my phone. So to access the portal, I need to click on Google Drive app portal. This is the portal, and this is my Google Drive portal shown on my phone. We have home tab. Here you will find all the suggestions or files that have been opened, and we have shared. This shows all the files that have been shared, and we have files. This shows all the files that have been created on your Google Drive cloud. So to scan a document or a picture onto your Google Drive account, first click on the plus icon. After that, you click on scan. Then you use your mobile phone camera to scan the document or capture the picture into your Google Drive account by clicking on photos. Here you can set the capturing time, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can turn it off. Let's take 3 seconds. So to capture the picture or scan the picture, tap on photos. This will use my phone camera to capture the picture or photo onto my Google Drive cloud. After that, you click on the correct sign. Or if the document that you capture does not suit your desire, you can refresh it by clicking on refresh tab. Then you take the picture again to suit your desire. After taking the picture or scan the picture, you click on correct sign. This will capture the picture onto your Google Drive. This is the picture that have been captured. Beside the picture, we have 3 dots. You can click on that dot to rename the picture or make settings. And under the picture, and crop the picture, you can change the picture color to black and white or colored. You can change it to color or color drawing. Or you can rotate the picture to suit your desire. And you can crop the picture by clicking the crop the picture. To crop the picture, you use the mouse to highlight the dot used to crop the picture to your desire. After that, you click on done. Then you save the picture. So after saving the picture, then you can choose the folder in which you want the picture to be saved into. Click on picture, you select the destination, and you pick folder that you want to save the picture onto it, and you click select. After selecting the folder in which you want to save it, you click save. You save the document or the picture onto your Google Drive cloud. Find more information about this post, kindly go to the description below by clicking link to the post to find more information onto this post. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.